बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faiz Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn exercise 4.8, question number 7, class 9, Maths chapter number 4, Factorization Sindh Board. So, today we are going to learn Factor Theorem. So, the book authors and the steps are written. So, the first step is find factor of px. First, find factor of px. Okay, so now we will write px is equal to x cube plus 8 x square plus 19 x plus 12. Done this. Now x minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 1, so the x is equal to minus 1. Okay, now we will put values. Plus 8 minus 1 square plus 19 minus 1 plus 12. Okay, so here will come minus 1 plus 8, 1, then minus 19 plus 12. Okay, then here will become minus 1 plus 8 minus 19 plus 12. Here we will do the rearrange. So here will come minus 1 minus 19 plus 8 plus 12. Now this will be paired, so the here will become minus 20 plus 8 plus 12. Here will come minus 12 plus 12. Simple means this will be cut. So p minus 1 is equal to 0 and this is correct. So the value of px is equal to x plus 1. Okay, now we will do the second step. So the second step is find qx and r. Find qx and r by I, T and tick. Then division. Okay, so first of all here will become like this. Okay, so first of all here will come minus 1 and here will come 1, 8, 19, 1, 8, 19, then plus 12. Okay, 1 upon 1, minus plus the minus, 1 1 is 1, 7, minus plus the minus, 7 1 is 7, 19 minus 7, the 12 will be remaining. Minus plus the minus, 12 1 is 12, the answer will become 0. So the remainder is equal to 0. Now let's find the qx is equal to. So here will become 1 multiplied by x square is equal to x square. Then 7 multiplied by x is equal to 7x. So here will become plus 7x. Then 12 is equal to 12. So here will become plus 12. Okay, so the second step is also done. Now we will do our third step. So the third step is find factor by division. Find factor by okay. Now here first of all we will write the formula. X is equal to x minus a cube x plus r. Then here will come px is equal to yes x plus 1, then x square plus 7x plus 12. X square plus 7x plus 12. Then this here we will make the factors. Middle term break will be 2 here. Okay, so our factor is x square plus 4x plus 3x. Okay, now we will take the common. X will be common and x plus 4 will be remaining. Plus then x plus 4 will become. And finally we have taken out our answer. So our final answer is, I will tell you first of all. The final answer is our, yes, x plus 1, then x plus 3 and x plus 4. Okay, and this is our answer. So the book answers are written. You can check it. X plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 1. Simple means this is correct. Okay. No like, no subscribe, only share.